joint damage,
and clear skin in PSA.
Want more proof? Ask your rheumatologist about Humira.
Get up and get ready with ABC7's Good Morning Washington, on your side with an accurate 12-hour forecast to help plan your busy day on ABC7's Good Morning Washington.
Do you have faulty switches, flickering lights, or buzzing electrical outlets? Call My Plumber today and get a $49 electrical safety check with certified electricians at your service.
Call 8664 My Plumber today.
In Richmond, classes will be canceled next Monday, January 27th, because nearly 700 of the school district teachers are taking personal leave. Those educators are planning to participate in a rally at the state capitol to call for increased school funding. The school superintendent says it would be impossible to find 700 substitute teachers. Puerto Rico is still cleaning up after a series of recent earthquakes, and people in D.C. are now stepping up to help. The High Street Cafe in Northwest held a fundraiser last night that raised nearly $22,000.
Structures are in a very fragile situation, especially in the south. So a lot of people are living in refugee centers and also just in front of their houses because they're afraid of coming back in.
The organization is also working with volunteer engineers to inspect homes and decide if they are safe. Well, that is massive hail and strong winds. You see there battering windows and chopping through trees. Australia just dealing with another extreme weather event recently. Hail the size of golf balls pelted the Melbourne area. People ran for cover and drivers pulled off the road to avoid being hit. Many cars and homes were damaged in this, and it's not just the hail. A massive dust storm swept through New South Wales, blanketing entire towns. The rain moved in yesterday, bringing some relief to firefighters who are battling those unprecedented brush fires. And Steve, I mean, every type of weather, precipitation, and issue that you could have, they seem to be having down there.
They've had it, and those hailstorms are powerful.
They
knock
are.
Windows out and the cars and those, lots of stuff going on down there.
They are.
Hopefully that will help get some of the fires a little bit more in control. Nothing like they were a couple weeks ago, but still not very good.
Not at all.
All right, closer to home, you know, today is one of the coldest days that we've had this season. It's been a mild season, so I think it feels sort of extra chilly out there. Overlooking the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial across the tidal basin, this is our camera that is atop the Mandarin Oriental Hotel. You can see it wiggling in the wind a little bit over toward the Bay Bridge in Stevensville, looking toward a pretty quiet afternoon, although on the cold side, upper northwest D.C., National Cathedral, at least we have brilliant sunshine, but don't be fooled. Even though we have lots of sun out there, our temperatures are only in the upper 20s and middle 30s. 34 degrees in Reagan National, 32 in Quantico. Head over to Winchester, 28. Petersburg, also at 28 degrees. Wind speeds, these are sustained winds at around 15 to 22 miles per hour. And that's what's giving us wind chill factors that are only in the teens and lower 20s. Feels like 18 in Leesburg. Feels like 25 in Fredericksburg. Leonardtown, Southern Maryland, feels like the middle 20s. Going out to lunch, bundle up, grab the sunglasses. Temperatures are going to be in the middle 30s with those feels like temperatures that are only going to be in the 20s. Evening rush hour commute shouldn't be much of a commute in terms of the rush hour because of the holiday, but temperatures are going to be on the cold side, dropping from the middle 30s down to around 30, 32 degrees by 7, 8 o'clock tonight under mainly clear skies. Now you'll notice those daylight hours are getting longer and longer. That indeed is a welcome change, but tonight it's cold, 18 to 25 degrees. That's the best I can do in terms of temperatures for the overnight. Under mainly clear skies, winds will be out of the north at 5 to 10, so it's not going to be quite as windy tonight as it is out there right now. Now, waking up tomorrow morning, back to work and back to school for many of you. Temperatures will be on the cold side. Manassas in the teens, upper teens, middle teens, over toward Luray. Even the middle teens in Petersburg with wind chill factors will make it feel about 5 degrees colder than that. So could be waking up to wind chills tomorrow morning, only in the single digits, especially out toward the I-81 corridor. Hourly forecast tomorrow, grab the sunglasses again. Temperatures a little bit milder. It's not going to be quite as windy. Temperatures in the middle to upper 30s to close to 40 degrees. And the weekend, it's never, ever too early to look ahead of the weekend. Even though it's only Monday, temperatures on Friday around 50 degrees. We will see a chance for a little bit of wet weather on Saturday. Temperatures around 50. Great time to get your Storewatch 7 weather app ready to go. Upper 40s on Sunday. Let's wrap it all up for you. The next 7 days look like this. A modest warming trend as we move through the week. 38 on Tuesday, 42 on Wednesday, middle 40s on Thursday, and back to around 50 as we move into the upcoming weekend. We're back after this.
Call My Plumber today and get your furnace checked for just $49. Our tune-ups are guaranteed all season long or your money back.
We're one call away, and they're the same day. Call 8664, My Plumber today.
So many have answered the call of duty, saluted, and selflessly served our grateful nation. ABC 7 Salutes is one small way in which we gratefully salute back.
ABC 7